Good day everyone, I'm Lawrence and welcome to FOG TV. Today we're gonna have a quick look at EK's torque fittings from its Quantum line. Let's get to it. What I have in front of me are the EK Torque HDC16, which is meant for 16mm outside diameter hard tubing. It also comes in 12 and 14mm. The torque line also comes with rotary angled adapters, a 90 and a 45 degree which we have in front of us, and also an angled T adapter which I do not have. Keep in mind that you need the standard torque fittings to go on the angled adapters. The angled adapters doesn't come with the compression fittings to attach your tubing. EK just recently also added different kind of extenders to the lineup. These fittings comes in different finish: matte black, black nickel, nickel, and the newest finish, titanium. The nickel finish is the one we have in front of us today. Full disclosure, EK did not sponsor me in this video. I purchased all these fittings for my personal PC build. For aesthetics, you can purchase these colored aluminum rings. They get screwed onto the fitting just before the compression ring. They come in a pack of 10 and you can choose from 7 different colors. For someone who prefers soft tubing, you can get the EK Torque STC. The STC line are for soft tubing compression, and the HDC are for hard tubing. Bear in mind that at release, the Torque HDC was named HTC. The HTC branding are now just for the non-torque hard tubing fitting. The Torque HTC was renamed to the Torque HDC. The EK Torque HDC is definitely one of the best looking fittings on the market, and I really love the way it looks in my build. Make sure to subscribe if you like watching content like this. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Once again, I'm Lawrence, you are watching FOG TV. Subscribe and I'll see you next time.